Okay, so sometimes what you'll find is that a child goes in and kind of messes around with the guided access, and then weird things show up like gray, strange shapes. So what you need to do when that happens is you need to get out of the guided access, right? And then you can see better where these weird, strange shapes are coming from, and you can start getting rid of them. So there was a little X there. There's a little X here. There's a little X here. And then I think I have gotten rid of them all. Now, something though that you should know is, oh, here's another little X. All right, so one reason though that you do want to draw those little things is because, so I just put one around menu and I'm gonna put one around vocab, is because in this program, even with guided access, a kid can come in and mess around with the vocabulary system and the settings if they get into those two buttons. So that's why those are going to be blocked out. So now I'm going to hit resume, and now all the buttons should work except for the menu and the vocabulary, and everything else should work out all right, just fine.